Unlocking the Power of Elevenlabs, a comprehensive guide. In the ever-evolving landscape of artificial intelligence, Elevenlabs stands out as a pioneering force, transforming how we interact with and utilize AI technologies. Whether you're a developer, a content creator, or simply an AI enthusiast, Elevenlabs offers powerful tools to enhance your projects and streamline your workflows. This video will guide you through the process of harnessing the full potential of Elevenlabs. What is Elevenlabs? Elevenlabs is an AI-driven platform that specializes in creating cutting-edge text-to-speech, TTS, and voice cloning technologies. With a focus on delivering high-quality, natural-sounding voices, Elevenlabs has become a go-to solution for various industries, including entertainment, education, and customer service. Getting started with Elevenlabs. To begin using Elevenlabs, follow these simple steps. Sign up and log in. Visit the Elevenlabs website and create an account. Once you've signed up, log in to access the dashboard. Explore the dashboard. Familiarize yourself with the dashboard, where you'll find all the tools and options available. The user-friendly interface ensures that you can easily navigate through the various features. Using Elevenlabs Text-to-Speech, TTS. One of the standout features of Elevenlabs is its text-to-speech functionality. Here's how to get started. Select a voice. Choose from a variety of pre-existing voices. Elevenlabs offers a diverse range of voices, each with unique characteristics. You can preview each voice to find the one that best fits your needs.
Allow the world to live as it chooses, and allow yourself...
But these are not normal times in our politics. Washington is as divided as ever.
Logic will get you from A to B.
What worries you masters you.
Be here now. Be someplace else later. Is that so complicated?
In my younger and more vulnerable years, my father gave me some advice that I've been turning over in my mind ever since.
Input your text. Enter the text you want to convert into speech. The platform supports multiple languages and dialects, ensuring a broad range of applications. Customize settings. Adjust parameters such as pitch, speed, and volume to tailor the output to your specific requirements. Generate and download. Once you're satisfied with the settings, click the Generate button. After processing, you can download the audio file for use in your projects. Voice cloning with Elevenlabs. Voice cloning is another remarkable feature of Elevenlabs, allowing you to create a digital replica of a specific voice. Here's how to use it. Upload voice samples. Provide clear and high-quality voice samples of the person you want to clone. The more samples you upload, the more accurate the clone will be. Train the model. Elevenlabs uses advanced machine learning algorithms to analyze the voice samples and train the model. This process may take some time, depending on the complexity and quality of the samples. Test and refine. After the model is trained, test the cloned voice by inputting text and generating speech. Fine-tune the settings to improve accuracy and naturalness. Implement the cloned voice. Once you're happy with the results, use the cloned voice in your applications, whether it's for voiceovers, virtual assistants, or personalized content. Applications of Elevenlabs. The versatility of Elevenlabs makes it a valuable tool across various sectors. Entertainment, enhance video games, movies, and animations with realistic and emotive voiceovers. Education, create engaging educational content with dynamic and diverse voices. Customer service, implement natural-sounding virtual assistants and chatbots to improve customer interactions. Content creation, streamline the production of audiobooks, podcasts, and other audio content. Tips for maximizing Elevenlabs. Experiment with settings. Don't hesitate to tweak the various settings to find the perfect voice and tone for your project.
Gonna focus on TikTok Shop. With TikTok Shop, it's super simple to get in. Out on hours, which, relatively speaking, is extremely easy for creator. And as we'd state a little bit about TikTok Shop, is you are get the stealth product for companies internet commission based on how much you're selling. And within this video, I'm actually going to give you a guide on how to do it and what not to do and what to do.
Use high-quality samples. For voice cloning, ensure the samples are clear and free from background noise to achieve the best results. Stay updated. Keep an eye on updates and new features released by Elevenlabs to continually enhance your projects.
There's been recently a lot of rave about TikTok money transferring people's lives, from rumors of people making full-time income or just a few $1,000s for a month. And today we're going to dive into how you could do it, and is it even possible? First off, there's multiple different programs that you could be in, like to create it.
Elevenlabs is revolutionizing the way we leverage AI for audio and speech applications. By providing accessible and powerful tools for text-to-speech and voice cloning, it opens up a world of possibilities for creators and developers alike. With this guide, you're now equipped to explore and utilize the full capabilities of Elevenlabs, bringing your projects to life with the power of advanced AI technology.